Hello? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, well, how's it going, buddy?
Who's this?
My name's Bobby. How you doing?
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
How much? How much is it, buddy? How much?
Okay, what can I do for you?
Yeah, I'm wondering how much it is. How much is it? What's the price?
I don't understand what you're saying.
What's the price for it? That's what I'm asking on the Craigslist ad. How much?
For what?
For the thing you got for sale.
Well, I got a couple of things. I need to know what you're talking about.
It's a 1980 Sierra short wheelbase truck. How much?
Oh, the Sierra. Oh, whatever price is on the screen, my friend.
Does it run? Can I drive it?
No, sir. That's a restored truck. You have to fix it.
So you've restored the truck. You already fixed it up. It's a restoration job. It's already done.
Yeah, but you have to do it. I mean, it got started. We never finished it.
So how much is it, buddy? How much?
Whatever it is on the screen. Look at the screen, my friend.
I don't see a price on there. How much is it? I don't see nothing.
Yeah, the price is on the screen. Just look at the screen. You gotta scroll down and there's a price.
Let me look and see. Hang on, buddy. What's your name? Where are you at? How much is it? Is it rusted out? Rotted? What is it? Does it got a lot of rust? Hello?
The text now subscriber you are trying to reach is not available. Please leave your message after the tone.
You hung up on me, buddy. I have cash money. I just needed some answers is all I wanted. I just needed some answers. Why don't you answer the questions? If you got something for sale, then sell it. If you don't want to sell it, why the hell wasting my time? Sell the cocksucker if you want to, you son of a bitch.
Hello?
Yeah, call about that car for sale, buddy.
Which car?
It's a car, that convertible, Starfire. Is this paint?
Yeah,
What's going on?
nothing.
Well, calling about the car for sale.
Yeah, it's for sale.
Is there someone I can talk to about that car or no?
Me.
Well, what's going?
Talking to him.
Does it run and drive? That's what I'm asking, buddy.
It says the motor is stuck in the description.
But I'm just asking a couple questions about it, that's all.
Yeah, it does not run or drive.
What's the best price you're going to take on that thing, Pate? What's the cash dollar price? Well, how much?
11,500.
Is it rusted out, buddy? Does it got a lot of
I
rust?
gotta go. Goodbye.
Hello? Hello? Are you there? Son of a bitch.
4, 6,
He doesn't want to sell the car.
Hello?
I'm calling about your car and you're hanging up on me, buddy.
Well, there's a full description. Did you read
But I don't understand that, partner. I got your phone number on there. What do you think I'm doing here? Making prank phone calls?
Yeah, I thought you were making a crank phone call.
Okay, but why would I be making a prank phone call when I'm calling about buying a car?
Because I get people call me all the time. Don't read my ads. Want to ask me about?
Okay, but I'm just asking questions, buddy. You know, not every...
I don't want to sell you the car.
But not everybody reads that thing. They want to talk to that cocksucker motherfucker. They want to talk to people. They don't want to read it, you son of a bitch. What the hell? Okay, we're looking at this vehicle right here. Let's go ahead. It's a 1976 Jaguar. This guy's wanting $700 for it. Beautiful car that it is. Look at that thing. Okay, I like it. He's wanting $700 cash for this thing. And I'm going to call this guy up. I'm going to ask him if his puppy dog goes with it when he sells it. Because I like that little puppy dog right there. He says it's a project car, no motor transmission was going to set it up for a small block tranny and Chevrolet engine, title in hand. Hell yes, for $700. Let's go ahead and give this guy a holler and see what he has to say. He says it can be a hot rod if you want it to. Son of a bitch. Let's give this guy a little bit of a call and see what he has to say. Let's see if this son bitch will answer the phone, holler at us just for a few seconds or so. Okay. Hell yes, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, hell yeah, I won't get... Yeah, I'm calling about that car you got for sale, buddy. What's got? Well, how many do you got? What do you got for sale? I'm looking on Craigslist. I'm looking on Craigslist over here, and I see a car for sale.
What car is it, sir? I've got several of them for sale.
What ones you got for sale? Maybe it's not the one I'm looking at.
Why don't you figure out what you want to call me?
Okay, well, it's this Jaguar is what I'm looking at, but you said you got other cars. Hello? This son bitch doesn't want to sell anything. What the hell? We're going to call him back. That son bitch says fuck off. I don't understand what his deal is. I'm trying to buy something over here from him. He won't talk to me. He's not gonna answer the phone. He says fuck you. He's not gonna answer the phone. He's not gonna. Hello, are you there? I tried to call this guy. Why do people put ads on here and they don't want to sell them? Doesn't make no sense to me. No sense at all, you cocksuckers.
Hello?
Hey, how you doing? I'm calling about them car parts. Calling about some of them car parts you got for sale. Hello? He hung up on me. What the hell? He got a phone number on his cell. We're gonna call him back. He's not answering the phone. Hello? I'm calling about them car parts you got for sale. I was interested. What the fuck? He doesn't want to sell any parts. He's got them on there for sale. He's not answering the phone and not talking. Okay, let's call this number and see if he answers.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic...
He's not answering that one either.
54. Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone,
Please record
Nobody's
your message.
answering the
When
phone.
you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Hi there, I'm calling about some of them vehicles you got for sale. I guess you're not answering the phone today. I'm interested in several of them, but I don't see prices. I'll call you tomorrow on that. Thank you.